Right, so today I'm going to share with you all how I do my Geera pork. We're going to season it first with our aromatics and seasonings, allow it to marinate, and then start the cooking procedure. Salt, our Geera, grounded Geera powder, curry powder, Chadon Beni, onion, garlic, and pimento. Alright, we mix and allow to marinate. So now that our pork has marinated, we're going to start the cooking process of the Geera pork. We're going to patch the cumin seeds first. So cumin seeds is actually what we call Geera. We use the cumin seeds, roast them first, and then grind them to get our what you will call Geera powder. So we patch the Geera seeds first, the cumin seeds first, to bring out the flavor, to toast the seeds a little bit to give it that nice Geera taste. Once you start to see them changing in color, we add our mustard oil. I particularly like mustard oil. You don't have to use mustard oil. You can use vegetable oil. This is just a preference, my preference. Then we add garlic, pimento, and onion. Allow it to caramelize a little, and then we add the seasoned Geera meat. Now we add our pork. We give a stir, and we cover and allow the pork to spring its own liquid first before we add any liquid. If you're doing this at a river line, some usually like to add alcohol to it. But I'm not adding any alcohol today, we're just adding water. And we cover and allow to cook for about 10 minutes. Right, so now we're going to check to see is it sprung a little liquid. Just going to give a little stir. Add a little bit of liquid just to cover the meat a little bit. Not too much, because you don't want too much liquid in your Geera pork. You know, just enough so that the meat won't stick to the bottom of the pot. Alright, we're going to cover and allow to cook on a low heat for about 45 minutes or until the pork is tender.